Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make fish pepper soup with plantain. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 500 grams of fresh fish, like catfish and 2 ripe plantains. Also, prepare 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, ginger, garlic, and a habanero pepper for that kick. Don't forget your pepper soup spice, salt, seasoning cubes, and fresh scent leaves. Now, let's get our main components ready. Thoroughly clean your fish, removing all scales and guts, then cut it into manageable pieces. Next, peel the 2 ripe plantains and slice them into 1-inch thick rounds. Finely chop your onion, tomatoes, ginger, and garlic. Remember to wash your fresh scent leaves, they'll add a wonderful aroma later. It's time to cook. Place your cleaned fish in a pot. Add the chopped onion, tomatoes, ginger, garlic, pepper soup spice, and seasoning cubes. Pour in enough water to just cover the fish, then bring it to a boil. After about 10 minutes, add the sliced plantains. Let it simmer for another 15 to 20 minutes until both the fish and plantain are tender. Almost there. Just before serving, stir in your fresh scent leaves. Give the soup a quick taste and adjust the salt or seasoning if needed to achieve your perfect flavor balance. Ladle the hot fish pepper soup with plantain into bowls. This comforting and flavorful meal is best enjoyed immediately, either on its own or with a side of your choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.